this episode of Fishing Clips, I'll be fishing with a few of my friends near Cabbage Creek, Shorncliffe. Yeah, it's been a big 8-hour trip from southwest Queensland, which is where I live, and hopefully we get some fish to make the trip worthwhile. But so yeah, our target fish species are sand whiting and Dusky Flathead. And the area that we're going to is where sand plains meet a dredged channel, so we should have a good chance of catching them there. But anyway, we need bait first. I think we're going to pick up some worms now from Alfred.
Johnny, how you going?
How you going?
Right, mate. All right, take some fish today.
Cool, there we are. Worms and pilchards we got. Yep. Hopefully they'll get us some fish. So over there's sand flat. No. So yeah, over there's the sand flat, and that's going into the dredged channel there. So should get some good fish here. Okay, so we've arrived at our destination. I'm just using Daiwa Lancer rod and Daiwa Laguna reel. 40-pound breaking strain braid line. I've got 80-pound breaking strain nylon coated wire trace here, and I'm just using some Dynabait dried tube worms. See how they go. Okay, on this rod I'm just Shakespeare agility reel, bait caster, yeah, 50-pound breaking strain braid and size 2 bait holder hook with the tail of pilchard. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, we're leaving this place. It seems pretty, I don't know, unactive. Not extremely big. Say, whiting maybe? Oh! Ripped it. That'll stay on. Hey, got a dusky. Hey.
Have a look at it.
He's loose.
Just got him.
What do you say? He's a keeper? Because it's our only fish so far. Flatty. The fish we just caught is a dusky flathead, or a Platycephalus fuscus, which is also known as a mud flathead or black flathead. It has a maximum length of 120 centimeters and a maximum weight of 10 kilograms, but the average encounter is only 40 centimeters and 2 kilograms. This fish inhabits estuaries, offshore ocean waters, sandflats, mudflats, seagrass, and soft substrates of eastern Australia, from Cairns and Queensland to South Australia. Their diet consists of small fish, prawns, crabs, and squid. All these can be used for bait. Beachworms also work. The dusky flathead's top body color can change to match the cover they hide in. Their underbody is a pale pink. Their pectoral fins are densely spotted with brown, and the tail, or caudal fin, has a distinguishing large dark blotch on its sides, which can be used to help identify it from other species of flathead. Flathead are excellent eating. Yellowfin Bream. Yay. Are we going to release him?
Yep.
Yeah.
Want to do it?
That little teeth.
Mm.
So, sorry, that's right, he took for a tiny fish.
Oh.
Yep, I'm on. It's not that extremely strong, so I don't want to pull. It's not too big, but that's alright. Feels so. Get landing it ready. I don't know what it is. Bream. Okay, what we're gonna do? Landing it or?
Yeah, you just lift him in, mate.
Hey!
There you go.
Brimbo. Smaller than. Oh, he was just hooked. That's just slid out like that. Here we are. Did you release the other one?
No, not yet.
Yeah, okay. We got a Brimbo. This Yellowfin Bream. It's only a juvenile. Okay, now we're going to release him. The fish species that my friend and I just caught were Acanthopogrus australis, also known as yellowfin bream, sea bream, surf bream, silver bream, or eastern black bream. The yellowfin bream's maximum length is 55 centimeters and a maximum weight is 3.7 kilograms. These fish inhabit seagrass beds, sandflats, mudflats, mangroves, bare substrates, and rocky reefs from Townsville in Queensland to Gippsland Lakes in Victoria. Their diet consists of small fish, mollusks, crustaceans, and beachworms. All these are good bait. They have a silvery bronze body with the pelvic, anal, and ventral parts of caudal fins, particularly the spines and soft rays, are yellowish and whitish, sometimes with black areas. If caught in an estuary, it can have a muddy taste when eaten. Yeah, we've arrived back where I caught the bream, and yeah, hopefully we get something else because they've only caught 3 fish so far. What is he? Do you need the... No.
Oh, look at it.
Hey!
Yeah.
Sand whiting. Summer whiting. Same thing.
Keep him, Wesley.
Pardon?
Keep him.
Hey. Where'd you get?
This species of fish is a sand whiting, or a Sillogo ciliata, also known as summer whiting or blue-nosed whiting. They have a max length of 50 centimeters and a max weight of 1.25 kilograms. The sand whiting inhabit inshore waters including coastal beaches, sandbars, bays, coastal lakes, estuaries and rivers, from Cape York and further south. Their diet involves marine invertebrates like yabbies, prawns and soldier crabs. They also like polychaete worms and pippies. All these are good bait. Sand whiting adults are a uniform silver colour. Their pectoral fins have a dark spot at the base with a pale yellow pectoral, pelvic and anal fin. Their dorsal fin is a pale olive green with their snout a dull blue-grey tinge, which only occurs on very large specimens. Sand whiting are excellent eating.
Little yellowfin bream. He hit the camera. It was his face. That's our third yellowfin bream today. So before we go back, we need something to eat. Yep. That's a 2 for $7 deal. Bye. Yep. Yep. Hey everybody, I just want to say a quick thank you for watching this video. It was my first ever video for my fishing clips, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section to see, and you can tell me what I need to improve and how to make my videos more interesting. And I just wanted to say sorry that we didn't catch as many fish as we hoped to, and it wasn't as exciting as I hoped it would be, but I mean, that's fishing, so anyway, thanks guys, bye.